Friends, I welcome you all in my English class. Today we are going to cover the chapter The 100 Dresses Part 1 from your book First Flight. So here in this chapter, first of all we will discuss about the author, then important characters. After that, see the introduction, and then we will go for the detailed summary of this chapter. So let's start first of all about the narrator. So Eleanor Estet, she was born on 9th May 1906 and died on 15th July 1988, was an American children's author. Her book Ginger Pie, which she also created illustrations for, won the Newbery Medal. Three of her books were Newbery Honor winners, and one was awarded the Lewis Carroll Shelf Award. Estes's books were based on her life in small town Connecticut in the early 1900s. And this chapter is based on her real life experience as a girl who receives Peggy's hand-me-down dresses. So let's start with the characters. Wanda Petronsky. So Wanda Petronsky is a Polish immigrant. Immigrant means she means came from another country. So she came from Poland to America, that lives in Bogging Heights. She is quiet and nobody had ever heard her laugh. Then next is Peggy. Peggy is described as the most beautiful and popular girl in the school. Then the next is Maddie. Maddie was a poor girl and considered Peggy's best friend. Then next is Miss Mason. She is an ideal teacher. Next is Bill Byron. Bill Byron used to sit behind Wanda's seat. Then the next is Willie Bounce. So Willie Bounce is a student in room 13. His surname is compared to Wanda Petronsky in the chapter, and they both are considered humorous but for different reasons. दोनों का मजाक उड़ाया जाता था, लेकिन दोनों का मजाक different reasons के basis पे उड़ाया जाता था. Then the next one is Old Man Swenson. So this man is he was an old man who lived near Wanda's house in Bogging Heights, and he lives alone with a cat and dog and dresses all in yellow. Then Cecil. So Cecil is a student in room 13. She dresses in fine clothes and practices ballet. On the day the 100 dresses game begins, the schoolgirls gathered around her to admire her for her new red dress. Then next one is Jack Petronsky. Jack Petronsky is Wanda's brother. Alright, was Wanda's brother. Then Jen Petronsky. Jen Petronsky is Wanda and Jack's Polish father. Alright, he was father of Jack and Wanda. Alright. Now, next is the introduction. So the lesson The 100 Dresses First is about a girl named Wanda who claims to have 100 dresses. तो ये story है Wanda Petronsky की, जो कि claim करती है that she has 100 dresses. Her classmates made fun of her because what she claims is in contradiction to the fact that she was always seen wearing the same dress. Actually, what happened? She always claimed about 100 dresses in the closet. वो हमेशा claim करती थी, वो हमेशा बोलती थी कि she had 100 dresses in her cupboard. But in contrast, what was there? She used to wear one dress only, that was the blue colored faded dress. Her classmates found her name to be funny and उसके classmates भी उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे due to her name. It was because everyone had easier names than Wanda Petronsky. Because and the base of this humor and mocking क्या था उसका base कि हर एक का नाम जो है वो बहुत easy है in comparison to Wanda Petronsky. Her name was different because she was a Polish immigrant. Polish immigrant means a person who has come into a foreign country to live there permanently. All right, किसी दूसरी कंट्री से किसी दूसरी कंट्री में जाना and to live there permanently. And Polish means Poland. She came from Poland to America, and she was poor and did not have many friends. She was quiet and was always seen sitting in the corner of the classroom. The truth about the 100 dresses unveiled when she submitted her 100 drawings in a drawing contest. So, unveiled means to show something. Okay, to show something new to the first time. किसी चीज़ का अनावरण करना, यू कैन से. तो ये 100 ड्रेसेस का जो ट्रुथ था ये कब रिवील हुआ? व्हेन शी सबमिटेड हर ड्राइंग्स इन द ड्राइंग कॉन्टेस्ट. शी मेड 100 ड्रेसेस ओवर देयर. They were the same 100 dresses she used to talk about. And ये वही 100 dresses थी जिनके बारे में वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोला करती थी कि I have 100 dresses in my closet. All of them were immensely beautiful. Means those all were very, very beautiful. Now let's begin with the summary. So, the story is about a quiet and shy girl named Wanda Petronsky, a Polish immigrant who had come to America with her family. So I have told you she was a very quiet girl, very shy girl. Her name was Wanda Petronsky. She came from Poland. Polish immigrant means she came from Poland to America with her family. She attended school with American children who found her name to be strange and probably the weirdest in the classroom. अब उसका नेम सबको कैसा लगता था? Because she came from Poland, so इसका नेम सबसे डिफरेंट था, स्ट्रेंज भी था एंड वियर्डेस्ट मतलब सबसे अजीब, यू कैन से, इन द क्लासरूम. दिस इज बिकॉज दे ऑल हैड ईजियर नेम्स, क्योंकि उन सब के नेम्स कैसे थे? बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी थे in comparison to Wanda. Wanda के comparison में सबके names easy थे. She was poor and was always seen wearing a faded blue dress. She was very poor, that's why she used to wear one dress only. She had only one dress that was also faded. एक ही dress थी blue colored and that was also faded. बिल्कुल उसका color उड़ा हुआ था. Her classmates teased her, उसको चिढ़ाते थे because she claimed to have 100 dresses all lined up in the closet, albeit always being seen wearing one. So what happened? उसके क्लासमेट्स उसको चिढ़ाते थे क्योंकि वो बोलती थी कि आई हैव 100 ड्रेसेस लाइंड अप इन माई क्लॉसेट. मेरी जो कबर्ड है, क्लॉसेट मीन्स अ लार्ज कबर्ड फॉर स्टोरेज, फॉर स्टोरिंग समथिंग. सो इन माई कबर्ड 100 ड्रेसेस आर देयर. albeit मीन्स यू कैन से ऑल्दो, हालांकि उसके वो दिखती हमेशा एक ही पहने हुए दिखती थी. ऑलवेज बीइंग सीन वियरिंग वन, albeit always seeing wearing one. तो वो हमेशा एक ही पहने हुए दिखती थी, हालांकि कहती थी कि मेरे पास 100 हैं. The ones who mainly teased her were the two best friends. And who were those two? Peggy and Maddie. I have told you about these two girls in the character section. So Peggy was the most famous girl in school while anyone barely knew Wanda. So Peggy was the most famous and popular girl in the school. She was very beautiful but nobody knows Wanda. Wanda को कोई नहीं पहचानता था. So Peggy and Maddie used to wait for Wanda because before school, even if it meant getting late, अगर वो लेट भी हो रहे होते थे तब भी वो वांडा के लिए वेट करते थे. Why? To tease her. Maddie, a poor girl, Maddie was very poor, herself did not like Wanda, did not like when Peggy made fun of Wanda. So Maddie was also a poor girl और उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता था जब पैगी मजाक उड़ाती थी वांडा का, क्योंकि वो भी एक पुअर गर्ल थी. शी फियर्ड दैट शी कुड बी नेक्स्ट. हु? मैडी को डर लगता था कि कहीं पैगी उसका भी मजाक उड़ाना शुरू ना कर दे, इसलिए वो क्या करती थी? पैगी का साथ देती थी वांडा का मजाक उड़ाने में. She wanted Peggy to stop making fun of Wanda but could not summon courage to face her as she feared she would lose her best friend. So what happened? She wanted Peggy, वो चाहती थी कि वो पैगी को पैगी जब मजाक उड़ाती है वांडा का, वो इस चीज को रोक सके, बट शी डिडंट हैव दैट मच करेज, उसके पास इतना करेज नहीं था, इतना साहस नहीं था कि वो मना कर सके उसको, किसको, पैगी को, कि वो वांडा का मजाक ना उड़ाए। एंड वो सोचती थी कि कहीं वो अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को ऐसा बोलने से, क्या पता अपनी वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो कि पैगी है उसको छोड़ ना दे, उसको खो ना दे। However, Peggy's intention was never to hurt Wanda. Peggy की intention कभी भी वांडा को hurt करने की नहीं होती थी, but she was curious as to why Wanda had to lie that she had 100 dresses in her closet. So, Peggy की intention कभी भी वांडा को हर्ट करने की नहीं होती थी, but she was curious. She wanted to know why she used to say always that she has 100 dresses in the closet, and she used to wear only one, that is a blue faded color dress. So truth about the same 100 dresses unveiled on the result day of the drawing competition. So truth उस टाइम सामने आया when it was the drawing competition day, and what was there? The room was lined with 100 drawings portraying different dresses, each so beautiful. So what happened? उस रूम में ड्राइंग कंपटीशन के दिन 100 ड्रेसेस का पिक्चर था वहाँ पे, एंड सारी की सारी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल थी. दैट डे शी ट्रूली हैड 100 dresses all lined up, but in the classroom. So she used to say, I have 100 dresses in my closet, but the truth revealed that she had shown her 100 dresses in the classroom. Those were in picture. At that moment, Peggy and Maddie, who were awestruck, realized that the theory of 100 dresses and felt guilty about having treated her badly. So that day वो दोनों गर्ल, कौन, पैगी एंड मैडी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऑस्ट्रिक मीन्स अवाक रह गई देख के. एकदम से उनको ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि जो थियरी थी 100 ड्रेसेस की वो ये थी, एंड दे बोथ फेल्ट गिल्टी. वाई? For having treated her badly. So students, in the next video we will discuss all the question answers of this chapter. Then we will take the 100 dresses part 2. All right. So bye bye for now.